92 years ago, Fiorello LaGuardia took office as mayor of New York City. Over the years that followed, Mayor LaGuardia transformed our city. He built incredible public works and an astounding amount of housing. He protected immigrants and uplifted the poor. And he used the most cutting-edge technology of his time to speak directly to the people of New York. In the 30s and 40s, that was radio. But I like to think that if Twitch existed back then, he would have streamed too. Mayor LaGuardia spoke to New Yorkers on the radio on his show called Talk to the People. This is our absolutely shameless homage. Talk with the people. We're live on Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Blue Sky, Instagram, Facebook, and yes, TikTok. If you're watching this on Twitch, drop your questions in the chat, and I'll answer as many as I can. We'll also be posting these conversations wherever you listen to podcasts, on your commute, washing dishes, pretending to answer emails, because government should be accessible. You should hear directly from your city about what we're doing and why we're